Curchi Monastery is one of the most beautiful and important Orthodox monasteries in Moldova. Curchi Monastery is located about 55 kilometers north of Chișinău. Today, the monastery complex includes 5 churches. Its most famous building is the Cathedral of the Nativity of the Mother of God. Many travelers consider Curchi Monastery to be the most beautiful monastery in Moldova. Visitors come to Curchi Monastery for its magnificent architecture, beautiful gardens, ponds, and landscape grounds, peaceful spiritual atmosphere, historic churches, and religious artwork, scenic location in the forests of central Moldova. Curchi Monastery is not just a historical landmark. It is also a living Orthodox monastery where monks continue to live, pray, and work according to centuries-old tradition. Today, Curchi Monastery stands as a symbol of faith, resilience, and cultural heritage.